Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and today I have got some beautiful Beetles polishes for you that we're going to be swatching out. This is the Neon Collection, even though the box says Autumn Fall Series. I'm starting to think they just grab a box, and any box at all, and use that one. I'm going to show you what's in. Here are the beautiful colors. We've got yellow, green, pink, orange, purple, and blue. So we're gonna swatch those out. Got my fake nails set up. Let me get these out and I'll be right back. Alright, so we have got 6 nails set up. I am using the Beetles foundation set, the base, the top coat. Got these off Amazon for $8.99. I know these are white nails, but I went ahead and put one coat of white on it, which is number 477. So, let's get started. Let's take our yellow, which is number 277. I'm assuming these are probably going to need 2 coats. Let me mix these up a little bit. Look at how bright and vibrant. Oh lordy. I wasn't prepared for all that. Ooh, too much polish. I was not prepared for this brightness. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. So I'm going to stick this one in the lamp for 60. Because Beetles say 60 seconds. And again, that's number 277. Next, we're going to do 278, which is green. I'm excited about this green too. Well, I'm excited about a lot of these colors. Oh, look at this. Looky, looky, looky. Oh, how beautiful. They say do your first coat thin. I'm trying. Woo. Woo. That light shut off and it got me. So here is 277 all cured. That is beautiful. Next we're going with the pink 279. Do this little swirl around. Oh yeah. Look at how beautiful that is. Beautiful. Oh, this is just gorgeous. Oh, I cannot wait to do a mani with these. Get a little bit heavy-handed here. You can see a brush stroke there on the side real bad. Okay. 279, down, 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 and gone. Next we got number, this is number 280, this is the orange. These are just really pretty. Really pretty. Like how vibrant they are. They'd be very vibrant even if they weren't on white. Like say if you just put them on your nail on top of your base coat, they're still going to be beautiful. But the rule of thumb is with a neon, put it over white. Purple. Number 281. This could be my favorite. This could be my favorite. Purple is my favorite color, but oh wow. I love this color. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. Whoops. The nail's turning on me. Purple's definitely gonna need 2 coats. Last but not least is number 482. We're going to put these on. We're going to cure these for a full 60 seconds. And I will be doing a second coat. But I guess to save you the time, I'll do the second coat off camera. So this is going to need 2 coats as well. It's the purple. These are just stunning. So I'm going to pop these in and I'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back fresh out of the oven. We are going to go in. Oh, seriously, where's my yellow nail? We're going to go in for a second coat. Oh, I just had some of these off camera, didn't I? Well, guess what? I'm not. I'm going to bore you with the details of a second coat and my chatter. I was going to do a separate video, but I'm having another giveaway. It is sponsored by iMethod. There'll be 3, I'm sorry, international people, that you cannot be included in this giveaway. iMethod will not ship internationally. And they are shipping directly from. So I'm really, really sorry, because I wish everybody could get, one of these prizes. It is 6 spotty glitters, or you can use them on your nails. It does come with glue, where you can glue them on your body. Tweet your own where you want to put them. Okay, there's 6 body glitters and 4 chrome powders. 4 different color chrome powders. And they are just gorgeous. Let's see what else can I tell you. They are on Amazon. You could look them up that way and see them. I will try while editing to insert a photo, because that I do have. Oh, wait a minute, I got it on my other phone too. Hold on, let me finish this nail. Look at that, it looks like Barbie pink. It is so beautiful. A nice vibrant neon pink. Where's my other phone? I have a picture saved on here. Ooh. Whoops, there it is. Here it is right here. 6 body glitters, 4 chrome powders. These are the glue, and you can see right here, this is by iMethod. 3 lucky winners will win this. I don't have the 4 powders. I do have the 6-piece though. The chrome powder I have is probably this one right here. Whoops. It's not going to get quite that large. I have this one right here, which is really stunning. I have the 6-piece set, which those you can use on anything and everything. But this is what 3 lucky winners will win, sponsored by iMethod. In the comments down below, if you would like to be entered, USA ladies, gents, put enter me. That's all you need to put, enter me. So now we're going to go in with our orange. Oh, and I'll start that today, which is Thursday, May 7th, and I will draw on the 15th of May, which is next Friday. It gives you guys like a week to get your intermies in. Look at this orange. The one thing I love about gel polish, it does self-level. You gotta sit there and worry about all that. I remember when I very first got into gel, somebody told me, just help them self-level. Hang it upside down. And I figured, what? But yeah, you can do that and it helps self-level faster. I'm in love with this purple. Look at this. That is just stunning. Very, very beautiful. I know this blue is going to be stunning after the second coat as well. Oh, look at this. Whoops. Trying to get my sides done and taken care of. That is just beautiful. Look at that. 6 beautiful, lovely colors. 6 vibrant neons. Let me pop these in the oven. Whoops, whoops, whoops. Okay, we will be right back. Alright, we're back. It is time to top coat. I've got Top It Off, Beetles Gel Top Coat. It is a no wipe. And as I stated before, you can get the top coat and base coat on Amazon for $8.99. Up that one in the lamp for 60 seconds. I need to get out my bottle holders. Those are just beautiful to have. Beautiful. Oh, it's not a good dip there. Gotta get the brush full. And I can't talk. Like a nice glossy top coat. Hope I am in frame here fully. Okay, the yellow is done in the lamp. We're going to be popping these in for 60. Fully coat your nail. I think these colors are just stunning. Whoops. You pop these in. 60 seconds. We'll be right back. Alright, we are back. We are fresh out of the lamp. Here is our 6 vibrant neon colors. I think these turned out beautifully. I love them. I highly recommend. Always give Beetle polishes and products 2 thumbs up because I just love them. I think they outdid themselves on this collection. Here it is on Amazon. It is $22.99. Here is the price right there. I did purchase this on April 30th. Excuse me. I even gave them a heart because I loved it. Well, that is all for today. Don't forget about the giveaway, ladies and gents. It is sponsored by iMethod. I showed you the picture and I'll try to insert it when I edit. I'm using a new program that I'm not fully aware how to use yet, but it's all trial and error. Excuse me. But this is our set. Swatching them out for you today. Love, 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 love. Enter my giveaway. You don't have to put USA because this is USA only. I'm very sorry, international and Canadian peoples. But that's just how iMethod said to do it. It's not of my doing or my liking. So, but three ladies will win the exact same prizes. All you have to do is put enter me and I will draw names on May 15th. Have yourselves a blessed day and thank you.